We're doing video. I hope you caught that. Hey guys, it's DuVäl. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not in the office today. We are on a project site, and we're gonna call this the SRW project. And so, in one of our earlier videos, we talked about wallpaper, and I wanted to bring you guys to a job site where we just installed the wallpaper. So because I wanted to show you and talk about how the wallpaper looks, before we even see it up, I thought it would be a good idea to actually bring you into the house to see what it looks like when it's finally installed. So I would like to welcome you to our 11,000 square foot mansion and the SRW project. Take a look around. All right, so as you can see, we paired this wallpaper up with some paint on our pilasters. We have some different paint inside of the ceiling because we wanted to not make the room just feel like it's only wallpaper, but I definitely wanted to do something that had more texture to it, had a little bit more depth. One of the things I like about this paper, I think this again is the tatami, I like that it has texture to it, but not only that, I feel like the colors are very layered in this. So there's a lot of dimension to it. It feels a little deeper and it feels a little bit more luxurious than you'll find on just regular paint or just one solid color wallpaper. You guys take a look. Tell me what you think. All right guys, so I want to bring you also into the next room over, which is our study. So I had talked about using the same paper but a different color because I wanted the rooms to feel very like fluid and familiar, but I didn't want to use the same color to make it feel like I recycled it. So I want to bring you guys into the study now, where we had some white marble tile in the other room. We're pairing this with some walnut floors. As you can see, the texture to the wall looks very similar, but the color just slightly different. All right, hey guys, all right, so you were able to see our conservatory and our study. So what I wanna do is I wanna meet you guys downstairs in our theater, but in the meantime, I'm gonna give you some B-roll of our fireplace, our music room, and our dining room, which I used the same paper and just kind of spread it out through the first floor so you can see how that ties in together. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, hey guys, welcome to the theater. So as you can see, we're now downstairs into the theater room. And what I wanted to show you is how we just did the application on the wall one more time, just to give it a little bit of detail, some striations, a little bit more of that luxury feel. Currently, the job site is still under construction, and normally we don't install this quickly, but for the client, the architect, and the builder, they wanted us to get moving on this sooner than later. But I did want to show you this before this gets shut down and they keep moving on to some other things they need to do. So I think that covers the house for now. You guys, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think. How does it look? Would you do it in your own home? And if so, would you choose one of the papers that I chose for the client? You let me know. All right, guys, until the next video, I guess, I'll see you then.